Hi, this is Lily. She's going to be doing position-specific work for middle blockers. Set up your court in the following way. You have a cone on each outside, a cone in the middle, and then 2 chase cones approximately around the 10-foot line. We're going to be doing the first 2 as a demonstration. It'll cover all the commands you'll be having in this. Normally you go partner rest, but for right now, Lily's just going to do them with about 5 seconds rest. So the first one, block, block left, transition, down, chase left, block right, and done. So that's number 1. Give her about 5 seconds here. And on to number 2. Transition, block right, block, chase right, transition, block left, down, transition, and done.